David here, weekly week look. Today is Friday, 24th February, 6:21 in the morning, pre-market open, looking at the May 2017 UK wheat chart. As usual, we start the long-term stitch together monthly chart, yearly view we've got in front of us, and we can see here that we are still not broken through the 60 SMA at 151.34. It's coming down a little bit at the moment. We closed last night at 147. Stochastic still showing overbought, but no visual change on the upwards trend that we could see in place on this chart. Pop down into the monthly. We can see here that we've got a bit of a negative candle forming here. We haven't broken through the high of last month, January, but on the same side, we haven't come back to test the support here, which would be in the last swing high here, which visually would be 144. Moving averages are pointing up. Everything looks in hold at the present moment. Pop down into the weekly. We can see here that prices have fallen back this week. We're forming a negative candle. We're coming back to test the 10 SMI on this chart, 146.62. Last night closed 147. This is in line with what happened back in November, early part of December, when we saw prices come back to value. The value obviously was the 10 SMI. That's what we're seeing at the moment. We'll pop down into the all-important daily and let's see what's happening there. You can see here we're falling back within this downwards sloping channel. We had a breakout last week where we had this candle here and this candle here. This failed and we've come back into the range again at the moment. All we're doing at present is consolidating. Prices, if you look, are almost moving sideways. This is similar to what happened in late November. We can see here on the chart that we had this breakout here, similar here, and then we came back and we actually came back to test the 60 SMA 144. So we're not. Oh, sorry, this is back in, we came back to test 136. At the moment, the SMA 60 is 144, so we're not surprised to see another sort of sideways motion next week. At 147 was a close, so we may drift down to 144, 145, but then we can see on this stochastic here that will be coming oversold. And all we seem to have done is got this sort of upward step where we got overvalued away from the SMA, and then we came back and we've got a similar situation here. So still in an upwards trend, and all we're seeing is consolidation within that trend. I'll put an update this time next week. Thanks for watching.